deal, let's say. Principle number 4, minimization of losses. Now, as you probably know, efficient resource management is a cornerstone of successful businesses, especially in industries like hospitality, where margin can be tight at times. Let's make an example. So imagine running a hotel hosting 100 guests per night. If all of them have booked a rate inclusive of breakfast, the hotel faces a sort of challenge. Now, how to determine the actual number of guests genuinely interested in the morning meal? Preparing a buffet or continental breakfast to cater to everyone can lead to significant wastage and increased costs. Now, let's counterpart the strategy of charging a symbolic fee like $1 for breakfast. While this fee might seem negligible to those truly desiring a morning meal, it can act as a subtle deterrent for guests who might usually skip it. This small barrier allows hotels to better